2015 Dodge Challenger RT Plus. So it's got the 5.7 HEMI in it. This is what it sounds like before. As you guys can see, very, 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 very quiet. This is revving it to 4,000 RPM. Again, it don't sound like nothing. It sounds like a granny car. There's sound decibels. Right at 88, not even 90. One more time. So we'll let you guys hear it after we do our mid-muffler delete. All right, so we guys showed you what it looked like before. 2015 Dodge Challenger RT HEMI. What is it to me? HEMI. 5.7 liter beast. Factory converters there and there. Then it goes into a factory X pipe. Then we did a mid-muffler delete, as you guys can see. Beautiful. Can never go wrong with a mid-muffler delete. Kept the rear resonators on it, there and there. And kept the factory tips. He didn't want it too loud, he wanted to keep the factory look. So that's what we did for him. There's the mid-mufflers we took off, as you guys can see right there. So like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, share, because sharing is 2012 Dodge Challenger RT HEMI 5.7. What is it, Timmy? HEMI. Got factory converters there and there. 2.5-inch pipe into a factory H pipe right there. Then we have some FLOWMASTER Super 10s that we put earlier in the year and kept the resonators on it. He came back, it was too quiet, he wanted it louder. So what we did is deleted the rear resonators there and there. And we said, might as well, that's what they look like. Said, might as well, as long we're doing that, let's put them some quad tips. So we put them some 4-inch quad tips there and there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. The FLOWMASTERs are 842-518s. And the tips, I'll get you the link in the description for them also. All right, guys, enjoy. Much better. It's not overbearing, it's perfect. Yeah. If we would have left those, it would have been even 20% quieter. I like that hollow sound that it's giving it. That sounds good. Give it gas. Woo! Again. Your sound decibel. Right at 103. It hit 103 earlier. So go ahead and bring it back. Oh, that sounds perfect. I like it. Yeah, but one more. Enjoy, guys. Let you guys hear on the inside. Much better. There we go. Here's sound decibels. Yeah. I like it. And this one actually came with an H pipe, not an X pipe. Yeah, that one has an H pipe on it. We appreciate the firefighters. That sounds really nice. What do you guys think? RT FLOWMASTER Super 10 rear delete. That's so deep. Sounds like a lion roaring. Like a deep tone. Again? That does sound like a lion roaring. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Challenger HEMI mid-muffler delete 5.7 liter of raw Dodge power. Challenger RT. I don't know why they stopped putting the stripes on the sides of them. I think they look good. Big spoon. We're gonna need the asphalt soon. Enjoy, guys.